this is Milena with Sweet Treats, and today we're going to be making puffed wheat squares. Things you will need will be cocoa powder, puffed wheat, some granulated sugar, salted butter, and some corn syrup. First, you will need to pour 11.5 cups of puffed wheat into a bowl. Once you have all your puffed wheat in a bowl, you're going to take your butter, your cocoa powder, and sugar over to the stove. You're going to add 1 cup of granulated white sugar into a small saucepan. And then you are going to add 1 cup of your salted butter. You put your butter into your saucepan, and then you are going to add 1 cup of corn syrup. Once you have all your ingredients in a bowl, you are going to add 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Once you've added in your cocoa powder, you're going to take your saucepan over to the stove. Once you've brought your saucepan over to the stove, you're going to fill a small container with cold water. Once you've filled your small container with water, you're going to turn the stove onto medium heat and mix everything together until it begins to boil. Turn it down to medium-low. Didn't mess that up. Mixture looks like this. Turn up your heat to medium and slowly mix until it begins to bubble. Mixture begins to boil like this. Turn the heat up to medium-high and continue for longer. It begins to boil like this. Take your whisk, get some liquid on it, get some of the mixture on it, and drop it into your cold water. Once it forms solid balls, turn off the heat. Pour it into your bowl of puffed wheat. Once you've poured the mixture into the puffed wheat, you mix it up until it's evenly combined. Once the mixture is fully incorporated and looks like this, pour it into some greased muffin tins. Once all the puffed wheat mixture is in your tins, let it sit until it's hardened.